Welcome to Mankessim, in the heart of Ghana's central region, where drums roll, colors blend, and spirits rise for the grand Borbor Mfantse Afahye. Today, chiefs and queens gather in their royal splendor, awaiting to be lifted high in palanquins, carried shoulders high amidst cheers, music and dance. The air is alive with culture, pure love for tradition that unites generations. The young, the old, students and visitors, and everyone plays a role in this grand celebration. The Borbor Mfantse Festival honors the migration of the Fante people from Techiman to their present home here in Mankessim. It is a tribute to the three legendary leaders, Oburumankoma, the whale, Odapagyan, the eagle, and Oson, the elephant. These are great spirits who guided their people to the land of promise. They are remembered as the Borbor, the mighty forebearers of the Fante people, symbols of strength, unity, and protection. Once known as the Mankessim Afahye, this festival takes place in the second week of September, showcasing the depth and richness of the Fante culture and tradition. Beyond the dancing and drumming lies a story of migration, resilience, and renewal of a people's journey for land, safety, and belonging. From chiefs in colorful regalia to Muslim leaders proudly represented, to students being carried in palanquins, from royal processions to spontaneous street performances, the Borbor Mfantse Afahye is a celebration of identity, inclusion, and pride. And through it all, the people of Mankessim remind us that tradition lives on. In their rhythm, in their unity, and in their pure joy, tradition indeed lives on. This is Borbor Mfantse Afahye. This is Ghana. Ghana is beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more authentic Ghanaian moments. Thank you for watching.